Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. You ever think about the advancements we've made over 100 years of video broadcast technology? Huge microphones got smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and big headsets got smaller and smaller and smaller and invisible. And yet in 2025, we've gotten to the point where all that technology has led us to, you can't have a self-respecting podcast without showing all this big equipment. And it got me thinking, first of all, I'll get rid of all this big equipment, and no offense to that mic and these headphones. My wife sung into that mic and wore those phones on our last single over mics costing 20 times as much. But it's a lot of things that people will do to look innovative or to look trendy, modern, whatever, versus being innovative and perhaps being modern, right? And to that end, this Jetbuilt launch list is all about that. There's a lot of things that Jetbuilt could do to look flashy, could do to look cool, but we are building to the things that you want. And we've always done that here at Jetbuilt for the last 10 years. The things that you are telling us that you need are the things that we roll out. And this launch list is just a compressed example of that. We've identified a ton of features that you, over the last year at the trade shows or at and support, 365 days a year, or in Boston at the User Summit, you told us the things that you need to help your workflow improve even more. And so we built the launch list, and it's a 3-month campaign. We're only 1 month into it, and we've launched 30 of those features. And it's fantastic. So dig into it on the website. The link is right here in the email, and you can watch us in real time tracking those. And if you've got more things that will help you work faster, bring them to us and watch them appear on that next launch list. So that's that. Also, trade shows coming up around the world. There's several. They're here in the email. Say hi to us at the shows coming up. Shows in APAC, shows the Peerless show in London, Infocom obviously in Orlando coming up. Look forward to saying hi to you guys there and hearing more about how Jetbuilt is serving you and things that we can do to serve you better. Okay, with that, I'm going to get back to more feature design, and we will see you out there. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.